joking. Ghana yen joking be yeah more be a Matry Makwe presidency be more. Matry Makwe, we will not give anybody the opportunity for Matry Makwe presidency. Bio, nah, we are tired. The next 30 years of Ghana, we will be fixing Ghana. The next 30 years of Ghana will be fixing Ghana. Yes, I'm Maha. Ghana 80th Independence Day anniversary. 80th Independence Day anniversary in poverty. No, we won't do that again. So if you take that office of the president, 51 million Ghana cedis, 51 million Ghana cedis. President regional toss no region no kwa pro bono. And no 16 million. 16 million. Car tires, car tires, somebody change car battery, car tires, 15 million Ghana cedis. 15 million Ghana cedis. This is where we shouldn't bring NDC and NPP into this. Because where you Ghana for Minu and Usika, there's no NDC and NPP in Ghana money. Minu and Usika. Take it to a friend saying, cabinet retreat here and say, 4.8 million Ghana cedis. Cabinet retreat. Somebody should be explaining to us. Somebody should be explaining to us. Cabinet retreat, most spend 4.8 million. What do you say? In Chile, a fried rice. I just don't get it. New vehicles. After the president had promised us, say, "Yam toka fufrobium no," or say, "Yam toka fufrobium." But motor new vehicles 6.5 million. Almost to furniture in Konyankwa 7 million. 7 million on in Konya. 7 million on in Konya, Ghana, office of the president. 7 million in Konya bank. Carpenter ni bogas. Ana angwagajansi. Carpenters were one moment me a solid in Konya. Na parliament cry kwa China and Konya. Abra omodeka ECG omode ECG ka. Enso omu tumi nya dollar ekoto China and Konya begu parliament. Are we serious? Are we serious? This is the country we have. Tina Maker say the next 30 years there anymore. We are bright where the 30, where the 20. Kai say next 30 years where the 50. Ye ni adaje for Matry Makwe. Because they are making your NPP budget too. Me don't back NDC no I say NDC buy no. If they did anything different. But NDC crow ya most more power no. Even Parliament found it needful some the ceiling back to Office of the President expenditure. Because na cost. This is IMF. The African Report 2014. Brand new negotiating for IMF no. And on my report, Parliament has placed a ceiling of 30.9 million on government expenditure. On the presidents, nearly 76 million between January and September 2014. 2014. 76 million Ghana cedis. January and September under NDC 2014. Before we went to IMF. This is Africa report. IMF Africa report on Ghana. Between January and September under NDC. The same NDC that I said Dunkacha has the balls to go and do the true state of the economy a press conference. Or say, I spend there, I go back to NPP for the no. I spend 59 million Ghana cedis. Operational enhancement. Pep. I what she says, Sikano, a free. Abra says, can kebet me a farm. Am I a Fagana for boys? A Greek students will be admired. I'm a man admire. NPP fashion. So go back to NDC. We go back to NDC. NDC. I buy Parliament Quacker who overspend the office of the president because between January and September that same year 2014, no man spent 76 million Ghana cedis under NDC. Me catch you say these two parties. One man share that we can't here we work and did this. NDC for spending 76 no. The same MPP before and they almost spending 59 no. They took NDC to Parliament. MPP and NDC difference being a woman. The only difference is how much they are spending. To the extent that under NDC, Tio, Afenyo marking, he filmed, he was upset saying NDC for spending more than they are supposed to spend. Tio, you're Afenyo marking, the wolf, time NDC for overspending. Me, wawa baya, more overspending. I'm a moody crowd or pay. To what you say? Afenyo marking say, he described the overspending as gross indiscipline, adding that excess expenditure failed to go through parliamentary approval. It's both MPP, Mama MPP budget, overspenditure, cost on the MPP. And the NDC. The question is you to know, oh, that in future and economy. Oh, that in future and economy. Wait, you do a bunch here. Count him, starch or do a benya, they are import starch from China. we ye did you ask manchia ke betumi de banchi ni bi akoye alcohol ethanol and then Casapreconi other alcoholic companies almost over $200 million and they import it a products.
Now me worry and so na mawo. But me be a born again Christian. Me tena say 14 years. Man for me who anko be a dancer na me worry.
What moment him?
We in Zimbabwe. 14 years.
14 years. That you wait my
40 years.
I wait my.
Na me no me boy.
The difference is time kon betina abrabo no mu. Na me hunu say even though my year the answer me ya woda. But there was a me die na me train say me worry answer. Me worry ye. My worry for 26 years. 26 years in marriage. Me can't say nyame ni munyame free me ire chida.
Wow.
Huh? Yes, also be say.
Edi na feature obi e mati asepa.
David. Watch out here. Obesen command. Obesen command.
Me say papa.
Yes, also be say. Ye nyina ye boy jamani bi na nkakranka kana mzo for boy jamani ka so boy jamani. And then show be a me yire te manim ha.
Not all.
Me preachy ana me yire to am say me yire te manim ha. Nyame nso na me gina nanim. Na me nware nso na mawo. Ba me be a born again Christian. Me tena say 14 years. Man for me who anka obi a dancer na me worry.
What moment him?
We in Zimbabwe. 14 years.
14 years. That you wait my
40 years.
I wait my.
Na me no me boy.
The difference is time kon betina abrabo no mu. Na me hunu say even though my year the answer say me ya woda. But there was a me die na me train say me worry answer. Me worry ye. My worry for 26 years. 26 years in marriage. Me can't say nyame ni munyame free me ire chida.
Wow.
Huh? Yes, also be say.
Edi na feature obi e mati asepa.
David. Watch out here. Obesen command. Obesen command.
Me say papa.
Yes, also be say. Ye nyina ye boy jamani bi na nkakranka kana mzo for boy jamani ka so boy jamani. And then show be a me yire te manim ha.
Not all.
Me preachy ana me yire to am say me yire te manim ha. Nyame nso na me gina nanim.